Hello, my name is Devanka. Today I'm going to make a water xylophone. First, put water in the glass. This one full. This one a little, not very full. This one half. This one a little. And this one very little.
Louder.
Then, let's try.
Okay. Mainin daw, kaya may musik. Ding ding ding, tong tong tong, ding ding ding. Random. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.